maybe we should give it a little more time?
Oh, yeah. I love pressing buttons. You, want me to press one of those too?
I don't know.
Am I missing something? We all want to leave, right?
Pomni?
Yeah, we do. It's just, what if it's a trick or something?
Why would there be a trick console in Kane's office? Like, no matter what we press, Kane's gonna know we were here. We should push it.
Hold on. Let's just wait a second and go over everything we know, and maybe we can vote on it or something?
What did you just do?
Shimmy, shimmy, yay, shimmy, yay, shimmy, ah. Drink, swallow, la, la. Drink, swallow, la, la. Swallow, la, la. Swallow, la, la. Shimmy, shimmy, yay, shimmy, ah. Drink, swallow, la, la. Drink, swallow, la, la. Swallow, la, la. Swallow, la, la.